Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today we want to share with you one that the social never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and you know that in this channel we react to all videos and we bring all information to your doorstep. So, just listen carefully to this information, and I'll be right back.
Nigerian Army and the DSS Police, Air Force, Navy. You're just there, they killing herself. See, we are not come mad, they enjoy himself. Yes, Kelele. I really hope you never know what they do to themselves. Dala. The very bending Zuzu. Magalolu alani on them besa. Them besa they say what to le. Nigeria police and army DSS only what to le. Mad people all over the world. Are those southeast governors? When I know what you know they benefit from insecurity. They call the owners of the land terrorists, while you all are terrorists. Not that you people are causing the insecurity, you are the terrorists in southeast. If you are denying that you are not a terrorist, the reason Nnamdi Kanu today, you see that insecurity in the southeast will stop automatically, instantly. That is what Gentle the Yahoo is telling you people. Justly because of you people knows what you people are benefiting from the insecurity in southeast. That is why you people are holding in Nnamdi Kanu there. The president of Finland Prime Minister, I greet you. You are a wonderful man. The Prime Minister of Israelites, you are a man. I greet you. You are a wonderful man. We love you. We are together, which we know. The president of Russia, Putin, I greet you, I hail you. You are a man. The president of China, I hail you. This is Biafra, the voice of Biafra Liberation Army, speaking. UN, I greet you all. But please and please, the Donald Trump, I honored you. You are a great man. The Biafrans has all it takes. We are appealing to you all to please put mouth and help Biafrans. Biafrans has been dying in the hands of the zoological people. And it is DOS that is causing all these killings in Nigeria. They are the one deceiving all these terrorists that call themselves military of zoological people. They are deceiving them, telling them that we are terrorists. They are the ones making them not to understand what we are fighting for, that we are fighting for our freedom. DOS is the one. We are not against our people, we are not killing our people. We are not the one killing our people. It is DOS that is killing our people. How can we stand and be fighting for our freedom and on top of it we are killing our brothers? It's impossible. All those allegations is allegation. We are not a kidnapper. We are not a criminals, and we can't engage ourselves on that. We are only freedom fighter. We are only fighting for our freedom. Biafra. We are only fighting for Biafra nation. That is all we are fighting for. All these allegations that they are throwing on us, why shouldn't all these leaders and Tinubu being their criminal master with the Musafa? Why can't them go to Finland and clear themselves very well and clear the air over there? I don't want to talk much. They have come and we neutralize them in many numbers. But those ones, they will not carry the news. Thank God that all of you, being the world leaders, have seen the atrocities and the level of hatred that these people has on us. Look at how they have been setting houses ablaze. All those houses that they have been setting ablaze, killing innocent peoples, is it where the Biafran Liberation Armies are staying? This is the question I just want to ask them. Is it where they are living? I just want to know. Let them answer me this question. Can they come and fight us? Can they locate us where we are living, where we are staying? We have our camp. And they knows our camp very, very well. Now, they caught my brother called Zuma. They caught Zuma. They took Zuma to his own camp and destroyed his own camp, and they are claiming, propagandering, that that is my camp. That is not my camp. And for their information, I, gentle, am everywhere. I don't have camp. I don't have any camp. And I must make sure I bring Nigeria down. And Nigeria is falling already. And Nigeria have fallout. You have had my comrade, Commander Holy Ghost. He have said it all. And that is the message for all of Biafrans. They have to hear it up. Let them not think that we are joking. We are not joking. We are not playing. We are so much serious. We are more than serious to these people. And we cannot take it light with them. This is Onyo Ezoku, aka Gentle, the Yahoo. I have come up once again to let the world knows that all this propaganda of Nigeria, terrorists of Athens, we are tired of it. We are only saying that we don't want to be among Nigeria. We don't want to belong to Nigeria anymore. And we are not a Nigeria. I can never be a Nigeria. I have never been in Ugwu outside in North before. Sincerely, they burnt me. I have never been in Lagos before. Why are they worried? Why are they worried like this? Why are they looking after me like this? Why are they searching for me to kill? I'm a Biafran. They have to stop looking around, searching for me to kill. They cannot kill me. My life is not in their hand.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. If you care to know, this is Gentle the Yahoo. He just passed the word, and I know that a lot of people understand perfectly what he have said. Now, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, and there's every reason why you need to share our videos, because here, oh my God, I keep you updated and I bring the work closer to your doorstep. So smash on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop any updates, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you so much, and bye for now.